Do you remember similar segments in Google Ads? They were a great way to reach new audiences who shared characteristics with your existing remarketing lists. But alas, those days are gone. So what now? What are the best ways to target your ideal audience in Google Ads? In this video, I'm going to share a few audience targeting strategies that you can use to replace similar segments and reach the right people with your ads. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each so you can make the right decision for you. First up, lookalike segments. The closest alternative to a similar segment in Google Ads is lookalike segments. However, the big downside is this feature is exclusively available in demand gen campaigns. Like similar segments, a lookalike segment will aim to reach people who share similar characteristics with your existing audience. However, lookalike segments can be incredibly broad. Similar to meta ads, you need to choose what portion of an entire country to include on that lookalike. Option number 2 is optimized targeting. This is probably a better approach. Instead of focusing on people who are similar to the people on your remarketing lists, optimized targeting identifies users who are similar to your converters. This allows you to reach a high intent audience that's more likely to take action, which in my experience makes it a more effective similar segments replacement. Optimized targeting is turned on by default for most display, video, and demand gen campaigns. If you don't want to use optimized targeting or it's off and you want to turn it on, you do that within the ad group settings, not always the audience settings. This is great to use for prospecting campaigns, but if you're running remarketing, please be sure to turn optimized targeting off or all of your budget will go to those new, similar people and not your actual remarketing list. While lookalike segments and optimized targeting are both good options, there are plenty of other audience targeting strategies to consider, which could actually be more effective than trying to replicate similar segments. For example, you can target in-market segments, people looking to research or buy certain products or services. You can target affinity segments, connecting with people based on their interests and habits. You can build custom segments and create your own audiences based on the types of websites they visit, the apps they use, or even the types of things they search for on Google. And detailed demographics, targeting people based on their occupation, parental status, and more. By experimenting with different audience targeting strategies and then analyzing performance, you can figure out the most effective ways to reach your target customers and achieve your advertising goals, whether that's a similar segment replacement like lookalikes or optimized targeting, or something new entirely. To dive deeper into all things audience targeting and learn how to implement every single thing I've discussed in this video, check out my course, Inside Google Ads, at learn.jill.ca. That's learn.jyll.ca.